Everyone, welcome to my channel. So currently we are undergoing COVID second wave, and as the condition is becoming grim day by day with large active base of COVID infected patients and death, the people across the age groups are infected by this COVID virus, be it kids or 18 to 45 years of age or a senior citizen. So it becomes important for us to follow certain precautions during the lockdown and even beyond it. So the first thing is that you should maintain social distancing and immediate isolation if you are experiencing any form of symptoms related to COVID in any family members. Second thing is that you should teach your child to cough and sneeze into their elbow. It is very important as this coronavirus is not going anywhere. Important thing is that kids should be made sensitized and aware to the personal hygiene so that they can be protected from the surface based transmission by washing their hands regularly with soap and water after every 2 to 3 hours for 20 seconds. Guys, this is very important to teach our child or to spread awareness among them that how it is very important to wash their hands regularly to stop the transmission of this virus. Next important point which I want to discuss is that you should now create a strong barrier by wearing a double mask, whether it is a surgical mask or N95. You can wear a surgical mask first and then N95 or any cloth mask which you want to wear, because indoor transmission is on the rise this time, and wearing double mask is very important when you are dealing with any domestic help, any maids, or you are taking any delivery item, or you are introducing with any external person. And even if when you are sneezing or coughing or any family member is having any symptoms, then it is extremely important to wear double mask to protect you as well as your other family members to get infected. Everyone in the family member including the child, you should, if even if you are not having any symptoms, it is recommended that everyone should take regular steam, and it is definitely very important that children should also take steam daily. About that how you can boost the immunity of your children's the day of your child by giving them soaked almonds, or you can give munakka, or if you don't have munakka then you give raisins to your child, and even you can give the water of the munakka in which you have soaked it. It is very healthy. And second thing is, give your child freshly cooked food and try to include more protein in the diet of the children so that it increases the antibodies. Serve besan chila, moong dal chila, or ragi dosa in the breakfast, and try to include the grains which boost the immunity, like quinoa, oats, barley, ragi, and besan. Or you if you are a non-vegetarian, then I'll suggest you that you give chicken soup or eggs, boiled eggs or egg bhurji to your child. Very important to include fresh fruits in the diet of the children's, like kiwi, mossami, mango, which are rich in vitamin C, like papaya. You can include apples as well, and vegetables like tomatoes, mushrooms, spinach, and sweet potato. It is very important that you include pulses in the lunch. You can give roti and any dal, or rice with any dal, and I will highly recommend that you give a piece of jaggery to your child after having the lunch, because it will help in increasing the zinc and iron in your child body. Important to keep the body hydrated, so you can give juices to your child, like you can give mossami and pineapple juice, you can give lemon water, you can give chach, you can give nariyal pani. If your child is able to have it in the glass, then it is well and good. Otherwise you can add this in sipper as well. Recommended to give curd or raita to your child because it is rich in probiotics, proteins, calcium, vitamin D, and vitamin B12, so it will help in boosting the immunity of your child. For parents, it is very stressful to give giloy ras or neem ras to the children's. So I will suggest you to make a paste of ginger, black pepper, clove and tulsi. What you can do is you can crush the ginger, black pepper, clove and tulsi in a half cup of water, and you can give it a boil. And when the water gets reduced, you can just strain it and add little bit of honey in it and make a paste of it, and give your child a spoon of this paste daily. It will help in boosting the immunity and protect your child from any cold and cough. Recommend that children should eat amle ka murabba at the time of mid breakfast. So what you can do is you can grate it or grind it, and you can put it any kind of smoothies or any dessert, or you can give them directly a spoon of amle ka murabba daily. It will definitely help in boosting the immunity of the child. Did that for growth and development of the child, it is very important that children should sleep for 12 hours. So I'll suggest that whenever the child is going to sleep, you make sure that the children are away from the screen time. You that you give turmeric root milk to your child. Just by boiling turmeric root in the milk of the child and giving them, it is definitely help in a good sleep of the child. The child will have a nice good sleep if you give turmeric root at the time of night. And secondly, it will help in boosting the immunity of the child. So I highly recommend giving turmeric root milk. Even I am giving it to my child, and I am adding little bit of honey to it to give a little sweetness so that my child can easily have it. And yes, my child is liking it, and I'm sure that your child will also like this. Guys, we have to make little bit changes in the daily lifestyle of the child. It is very important to give healthy balanced diet to the child so that they can have a good immunity and they can fight with such diseases. On this note, guys, I take a leave and see you later, and I hope you follow these precautions and immunity steps and keep yourself and your family and your child safe. Thank you.